Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom and welcome to my YouTube channel where I discuss all things Tesla, electric vehicles and renewable energy. If you're new to the channel, take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and that way you stay informed of any new content and it'll also help my channel grow. The worst case scenario is that you just unsubscribe later. Today I'm going to show you how to order merchandise, including this shirt I'm wearing, from the official online Tesla shop and have it shipped to Australia using Shopmate by Australia Post, and I'm going to do that and more right after this. Okay, so if you live in Australia like me and have ever tried to order anything from the official online Tesla shop and you've tried to ship it to Australia, then you will well know that your shipping adventure comes to a cruel end when you get to the checkout and you realize that the free shipping they offer, in fact any shipping they offer, only extends to the United States. That's right, the country is sadly locked to the US when you get to the shipping section. They don't take into account the hours of browsing you've just used up carefully selecting the awesome products they have there. But never fear, because today I'm going to show you a relatively quick and easy way you can get your Tesla merch delivered to your front door in Australia. So the first step is to go to Shopmate by Australia Post to set up your free account. Shopmate is totally legit and is a subsidiary of Australia Post, our national postal service, and in fact the package is eventually delivered by Star Trek, also owned by Australia Post, so you know everything is above board. Go to shopmate.auspost.com.au, hit login or sign up. If you already have an Australia Post account, that's all good. Otherwise, just sign up. Again, this is all free. Once you've got your account set up, go to the My Addresses tab and you'll see that you'll have a specific USA address. The one I got is a warehouse in Portland, Oregon, and I assume a lot of others are also in that area. Shopmate is essentially a USA specific parcel forwarding service, and so because you now have a USA address, you can now shop at the Tesla shop. Disappointment be gone. Also on the same page you can add a new address where you'd like the goods delivered, whether it be your own home or a PO box, the choice is yours. There's also a My Shopping and My Tracking tab, which I'll come back to once you've ordered your goods. If you want to know how much the shipping will cost approximately, head to Our Rates and Shipping Calculator, and from there you can enter the dimensions and weight of your package and it'll give you an indication of how much it will cost. Many shopping sites should give you this information for their products. Okay, so now that you've got a USA address, head back to the Tesla shop, select where you'd like to buy, and then enter your new USA address that Shopmate has given you. The shopping to this address is free from the Tesla shop. Once you've paid for your items, you'll receive an order email immediately. You'll then receive a tax invoice from Tesla itself. Keep this as you'll need it. I'll explain later. You'll then receive another email stating that your items have shipped. With this, you'll get a tracking number. Keep in mind, this is a FedEx tracking number which will track the items from the Tesla shop in Nevada to your USA shopping address in Oregon, not for Shopmate. This comes later. So this is the timeline so far for my items. I ordered from the Tesla shop on the 14th of May. I received the order confirmation and invoice on the same day. The items were shipped and dispatched a day later on the 15th. With my tracking number, I could use the FedEx site to track the items from Nevada to Oregon. As you'll see on the screenshot, the FedEx tracking tells me that the items arrived at the warehouse on the 18th of May. Now comes the fun part. Not. If you look at my timeline, Shopmate only technically received my package at the US warehouse on the 22nd of May, Australian time. So allowing for the time difference, 18th of May being when FedEx delivered the package to the Oregon factory, let's say it was 19th of May our time. So that means there was a 3-day processing time before it appeared on the Shopmate system. Now remember earlier I said to you that you could track your items on the Shopmate website? If you click on the My Shopping tab on the Shopmate website during this period of limbo, it won't be there. And that's when I say to you, don't panic. It does say on the website to give it 2 business days. So for me, it was 3 days, all good, give or take 1 or 2 days. So back to my timeline, Shopmate will then send you an email asking you to log onto your account to declare your item and make payment. For me, I ordered 3 shirts, which cost me $84 US. At this point, I will declare that I got a 20% discount with a one-time discount code that the Tesla Owners Club of Australia supplied to their members, which I used. Thank you, Tucker. 3 shirts cost me almost $50 Australian in shipping. Once you pay the shipping costs, send your original Tesla invoice to that email address with your Shopmate details, which is why I said to keep it handy earlier. On the 23rd of May, Shopmate informed me that the shipping was confirmed and that my parcel was on its way. Fantastic. So I received the package on my doorstep on the 2nd of June. So for 3 shirts which only weighed half a kilogram, it took 18 days to arrive from Nevada, USA to Sydney, Australia and cost me almost $50 in shipping. Would I do it again? I suppose shipping was fairly pricey relative to the cost of the items, and I'm thankful for the TOCA 20% discount. I'd probably wait for something like that again if I were to shop at the Tesla shop once more. I gotta say too that the shirts are of pretty good quality and it fit me pretty well. I used the sizing guide on the Tesla store. The plaid shirt is made in California, while the others, including this one, were made in Mexico and Peru. I'm not sure if the heavier, bulkier items like car accessories would be as quick as 18 days, and certainly shipping would be more expensive, of course, using Shopmate. And on the subject of merchandise, I'd like to introduce to you my new merchandise store, Tesla Tom's Ludicrous merch, which can be found at shop.spreadshirt.com.au/ludicrousfeed. I'll include that link in the description below and also in the comments. Here you'll find a range of men's and women's shirts and hoodies, bags and baseball caps for you to have a look at in a whole bunch of sizes and colors. And very easy to shop indeed. Prices aren't too bad, and as a full disclaimer, my margin is about $7 to $8 per item. Currently there's a 15% off promotion, so check it out right now. shop.spreadshirt.com.au/ludicrousfeed in the description and also in the comments. Alright guys, well that is my experience buying from the Tesla shop and using Shopmate to ship it from the USA to Australia. Sure, it was relatively expensive, but I guess there is no other way to do it without a parcel forwarding service if it doesn't ship to Australia. Unless, of course, if you had a friend or a relative who could do it for you, of course, and post it out that way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, have you had any experience with buying from the Tesla shop and using a parcel forwarding service like Shopmate or any other service to get it to ship to Australia? Leave a comment below. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, stay safe, and as always, until next time, happy charging.